The interesting thing about writing first-person gorilla is that you are doing this weird thing where you're always anthropomorphizing when you write an animal fantasy. And because I love research and I love the science behind, in my heart, I really wish I could grow up to be Jane Goodall, but apparently they have no Starbucks in the jungle. So I loved doing the research on Ivan, the actual Ivan, and then again on gorillas generally, Western lowland gorillas in particular. But then I realized I'm sitting here creating an animal who is communicating with humans using crayons and who's having fascinating conversations with a dog. And it's an uncomfortable juxtaposition. You know, I tried to stay as close as I could to how a gorilla might feel. And yet I wanted to give him a personality that was clearly going to have some human elements. So it's always a fine line.